Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. That was a QTP cutout. QTP is out of New Jersey and they make a universal cutout that we put on all sorts of vehicles. And we normally will put a switch inside the vehicle to open or close the cutout, but this right here has a little fob. So all you got to do is you can hit open. Watch behind me. Open those bad boys up. It's variable. What that means is you don't just have to go open or close. So you can start to close it. You can stop it about halfway. Maybe you don't want your vehicle really loud, but I'm underneath an S550 Mustang, has a factory resonator. The exhaust isn't very loud. And you can put on a different axle back, make your car a little louder, but if you want the super deep race car sound, QTP cutout's a great way to do it because you can close it, you can drive around your neighborhood, you can have your car quiet, or you can hit your fob or hit your switch in the car, open it up for an aggressive muscle car sound. We're gonna get this car down off the lift. We'll stand outside so you can hear exactly what this sounds like. All right, I'm really glad I took a minute to go underneath the car because that's really the only good way to see how this works. You're gonna be able to hear this outside. So this is an S550 with stock manifolds and mid-pipe and it has Roush mufflers. So right now I have the fob closed and actually I like this fob. So forever we use the switch in the car and this fob is really the way to go. It makes it super easy to open and close these. So hey Dom, rev this up for me. All right, that right there is through Roush mufflers, which is pretty aggressive, but hit this right here. We're gonna open this bad boy up. All right, let's hear it. That's super race car sounding. So if you're looking for something a little scary out on the street, you really wanna have something very aggressive, QTP cutouts are the way to go. And if you have stock mufflers on your car because you really need a quiet car, this is another great way because again, like I said, you don't have to open it up all the way. You can open up any way you want. Just like close it just a little bit, maybe like half or something. Close it all the way, whatever you want to do. Make the car quiet, make the car loud. It's awesome. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'm happy to answer. And QTP cutouts, they're a great way to make your car louder and they're really an awesome part and they're made in the USA. So you can check out our website, brenspeed.com. Give us a call, 574-594-9559. And then, of course, email quote@brenspeed.com to see how much these would cost to be put on your Mustang, your F-150, or Camaro, Challenger, whatever. I'm going to open these bad boys up one more time. You hear them last time right here. Then we're going to pull this car out, and it's going to go to its home. All right, one more. That's pretty awesome. Thanks again for watching.